Welcome to GDR Festival. It's the Friday night, so we're racing KOTS tonight. Cal's here.
Hello everyone, my name is Cal and this is my Navara.
We're going to watch Jamie drive Hype Game as in its all-wheel drive form for the first time.
This is how we get the man ready for the racing. You don't have to have look at this. Look at this.
First event back. Let's go.
Can you believe it? We're finally here, Jamie.
We've made it. One year later, we're back.
Oh.
1 year later, we're here.
Let's
now 3.2. JHH head.
More power than ever.
More power than ever.
Oh, let's send her down the track,
We're going now. Shakedown run, go through the gears, see what she does, and take her from there.
Exciting for him, exciting for us, that he is actually going to get to enjoy what we've built him for the first time, because unfortunately the first few times out didn't go to plan. The engine just couldn't take what we wanted to give it, so new combo, 3.2 litre, made 1560. Is that right?
Yeah, I think that's right.
1568. Through the Turbo 400 all-wheel drive, so yeah, it's going to be interesting to see. This first pass probably won't be anything exciting, but hopefully he goes straight, makes a bit of boost, makes some cool noises, and then he'll put a bit more power down as the night goes on. But he's already fucking there. We're going to have to run. We're going to miss it.
Should we run? Are
we
going
go
up
upstairs.
Or are we going
we go
out?
up, right?
Yeah, I think we go up. Do we need to run?
I think. Oh, there he's just going in. Yeah, we need to run.
Oh, we got to run.
Did a wheelie. You reckon?
Yeah.
That was cool.
We made it.
I think it's going to need some suspension. That was good.
Did you do a wheelie?
No, I didn't do a wheelie, it just fucking took off my arm.
It looked like it went and did a wheelie.
It just fucking sat me back.
It looked like it, terrifyingly like it was
It was fucking sick.
sick.
We got the bad times already, Jamie.
Left the chat real early. Real early.
We kind of expected this in a bit of a way, didn't we?
Did at 8.8. Hooked up and
At least it wasn't the first time.
you got 2 runs.
Hype game, ripped the diff out of it. We probably knew it was going to happen. Probably not so soon, I wouldn't have expected, but I mean, like, it is a gnarly car, so.
The red cars are ripping as usual.
Red cars on laps, yeah. I love what we do. Shout out to everyone that supports us. Love every one of you. It's fucking sick. The boys are killing it. GDR Fest 2026. Let's go, baby.
It's not that bad. Oh yeah, I can pull all centers. Let's go.
Mechanic Jamie, what are we doing?
Diff's coming out.
It's coming out.
See what we can do. I don't know.
So you're just going to put another one in that you can break?
Yeah,
That's what you're telling me.
Another 2 passes is better than none.
I love the energy, Jamie. I love it.
Pull it out, see what it is.
He wants another 2 passes.
Heaps has happened, and at the same time, not much has happened. It's part of racing. That's what it is.
What was your first memory of racing?
Today, or went to the track. Oh, I seen cars go down the track, and then I started building cars, or help build cars, and it's always chaos.
What do we got back here, boys? The whip. Whoa, Daddy! Daddy got some power!
Sometimes organised chaos, sometimes not so organised chaos.
Oh no!
Boom! We have door stickers. What do you reckon? Leave a comment.
Yeah, we should get a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment if you fuck with the door stickers or not. We're a sort of a 50-50 in the workshop. We don't know. So yeah, leave a comment. Let us know if we should run them or get rid of them or do something else.
I think they're good. That's my vote.
I like it. I reckon it breaks it up. I reckon it looks pretty good. So we're just out here. We're learning, but we're just out here learning together. As one, we are learning.
We got a lot of cars.
Sam's here. He's learning too. Hey, Sam.
I know everything.
He don't. Sam don't know anything. They're gonna put it on the dyno tomorrow, and hopefully take the 2.6 block.
How many
record?
What numbers are gonna make?
Oh, that's don't know. It's a
What
lot.
did it make previously?
It's been 1630. Well, I want to see 1800 would be tough.
Oh, what?
Let's go.
You're
I reckon it'll be good. I reckon. Hey. Yeah.
What's falling out at 1800?
Nah, not much. Maybe my nuts. But I think I don't know. It's here anyway. That's why. And then I found out there's a drift event at Sydney Motorsport Park, just across there tomorrow night as well. So I'm gonna hopefully be on the dyno tomorrow, and then we'll go over there and shred some tyres here.
Matty!
Oi, Matty, give us a 111.
Why are we going left? Why are we going left every time?
Bad. That wall's pretty scary.
We got a diff.
Well, that's something different.
Well done, Jamie. Well done.
We hit her a little bit powered. Yeah, Jill.
It's happening.
It's happening.
Happening for real.
Oh, yeah.
The biggest power car you ever driven.
I know.
In your life.
But it's not going to be on kill mode first, dude. That's for damn sure. We're just going to be learning. We're going to be out here learning and just feeling, you know? We're just going to roll through it nice and softly, you know, just short shift the first pass, see how it goes. Yeah, we just feel it out, see how it goes, and
Make sure you get the GoPro footage for us.
yeah, I'll make sure I turn that on. Let's go, babe.
Why did I just see Andrew bunny hop of white GTR down the track.
Why?
Tell the viewers.
I'm pretty certain. After looking at the data, so he got wheel spin, and then he let out. But as he let out, it sort of like gripped because of the drag track, and he goes right, and he lets off and goes whoop, and then his foot just goes on the accelerator. And this thing being such a it's a lot of torque in it. It's hilarious. It's just whoosh. On the drag track, it's actually one of those things you got to be planted. Like if the car does wheel spin or whatever, like it's so grippy that it can pull you into the seat really easily. So
basically, this car's new combo.
It was the first hit. It was the very first hit. So brand new tyres as well. I don't think he did a burnout. So everything about the car was brand new. You should just click second gear, just roll into it rather than trying to be a hero and roll race it. So
this is one to be excited for. You'll see more of this.
Stay tuned for this one. This one's getting real exciting. So it's going to be fast. That's for sure.
Back to GTR. Just a touch wet, gents.
Oh yeah, she's a little wet, isn't it?
It's a little GDR festival. GDR festival without rain.
Wet. That's one way to sum up wet.
We got a few
There's
good
a lot.
passes
There's
in the car. There was some stuff
There's lots
happening.
of stuff here. There's lots going on. Lots happening. Like I said before, it's cracker. Everything's out here.
See what happens tomorrow.
See what happens tomorrow. Catch up.
I can see it squishing under your foot. That one's soft. That's soft. You scraped that rear double. Jimmy, get a compressor? Oh, can you hold his hands like?
All the way. Go do something cool.
Click a few gears.
I'll flip it.
You won't flip it. It's your. Why are you so scared of it?
Bro, the vlog needs content. Let's do it. We need content.
Do it, Sammy, woo! Sammy.
See? Straight launch. Lean forward.
Lean forward.